What's up, you guys? It's your girl Sherelle, and I'm back with a video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this lace front wig that I got from a company called True Wigs, and it is an ombre wig, 32 inches. So if you want to see how I achieved this style, please stay tuned. And before we get into the video, since you're already here, hit that subscribe button right there down below. Click that subscribe button, and hopefully if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and hit that bell so whenever I post a video, you can be notified. So let's get into it. And I like to just put this on my braids because the lace is like a protective style, but you have to take care of your hair still. Okay. So next thing, I want to get shrink on this wig. Now this, I did go ahead and place a little braid in the back. So I'm just going to go ahead and sew it down. Well, we'll just tuck it. And then the inside here, it has a little clip. There's a little clip here that's going to be clipped in the back. And it just has a little lace just here. So you can't really do much. It's just like a middle part, can't part a bunch of places. And I'm definitely going to have to do some plucking. I'm going to pre-pluck her off the camera. This is super long, you guys. 32 inches. I am 5'3", and it goes to my waist. Now since I plugged, I didn't cause, a little fuzziness here. But that's okay. We're going to take care of that. Now, I'm going to just spray a little bit of my Got to Be glue up here, and I'm going to tie it down with my scarf. So I'm going to go ahead and just tie it down. And I like to tie my wigs down and move on to makeup. Alright, you guys, so that's the end of this quick lace install with me. I did go in and cut some of the hair because it was just too long for me, and I don't really wear long hair like that. That was just too long. 32 inches was just really too long and very unmanageable for me. So I went ahead and I did cut it. So I went ahead and I cut it. So now it's about right here underneath my bra. Oh, I need a stair stepper so you guys can see me. I like it. I think it's really cute. It just makes me look really pretty. I really like it. I will have all pretty much the products in the description box below. The hair that I am wearing, I will have that in the description link below. So if you guys want something just affordable, quick, so that you can have you like a really cute little Thanksgiving vibe, show up, show out, and still look very presentable though on a budget. This is definitely the wig to go. On the package, it does state that it can hold heat up to 400 Fahrenheit, so you should be able to curl it, wave it, wand it, flat iron it. It should be able to hold heat. So that's going to be a video that I will be coming and letting you guys know if that is actually true. But for today, that is it. And I just paired it with a nice little see-through shirt. So nice see-through shirt with some jeans. Hope you guys like this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so whenever I post a video you can be notified. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope you guys enjoyed